said that today we are making hot cocoa. And it is correct. We are making hot cocoa today. And if you didn't notice, we have two special guests. We have Cass.
Hi.
And we have Ella.
Hi.
And if you didn't notice, we actually are on Zoom because we aren't all in the same state. So what state are you in, Cass?
Pennsylvania.
What are you in, Ella?
New Jersey.
So yeah, we're all in different ones. And where we all live, where it's cold out, so we decided it's a good idea to make hot cocoa. So the things you are going to need are 2 pieces of brown paper, 1 or 2 pieces of white paper, tape, a straw, a pencil, a marker or a pen, scissors, a glue stick, and if you want some cute little decorations like ribbon or patterned paper if you want, so let's get right to it. You're going to start by taking your plastic cup and colored paper, or I'm using pattern paper. You're going to place your cup down and with your pencil, trace how big your cup is with like a small, just little line on top of your cup. And once you're done that, you're going to cut it out. Once you are done cutting it out, we are going to take a piece of tape, and you're just going to start with the corner of like the thing, place it all the way at the edge, and then just tape it down with a piece of tape. And then just keep repeating that step while you're rolling the cup. Now you see it's a little spaced out, so once you're done, you could just fold it down and tape it again. If you do have a little extra at the bottom, just go ahead and cut it off. After you do that, if you want, we are going to add some cute decorations just for fun. Like you can take your white paper and you can make some mini snowflakes. So then once you're done just cutting that snowflake, you can just open it up and put it on your cup by taping it.
I'm drawing directly on my cup.
You could actually do that too. So have you guys had any snow this winter yet?
Yes, a lot.
Did you guys go sledding in it?
Yes.
Yeah. So once you guys are done, you can add any other decorations.
Well, hello there. I am a man being very classy with my bow tie.
What other decorations are you going to put on your cup?
I'm drawing a bow that I can put on.
What are you making, Ella?
Well, right now I'm making a snowflake and I'm adding a little color to it, and I'm going to tape that on the front of mine.
I like that. Have you guys been doing any crafts over the break or in your free time?
Does baking count as crafts?
Kind of.
Then I've done a lot of crafts.
I've done a lot of baking.
What have you guys been baking?
I've been baking cinnamon rolls and
Those sound good.
like giant cookies.
I've been baking lots of cookies.
The next step is going to be you're going to cut out a rectangle and you're going to write name and what are you having. And then you're going to do lines next to them. And then with a marker, you're going to write your name and then what you ordered, which hopefully is all hot cocoa. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to cut out a pretty small rectangle because I've added a lot of pretty decorations so I don't have too much. Now I'm going to write name right under. And I'm going to write what you're having. So I'm just going to say have, and then line, and then I'm going to say hot cocoa. And then I'm just going to stick it on like right here.
I did mine and I added Hot Cocoa Company at the top.
We are kind of like a hot cocoa company. 3 people making hot cocoa. Can I see your guys' cup so far? It looks good, Cass. I like your snowflake.
Thank you.
Ella, can I see yours?
This is mine.
I like that colorful snowflake. It's pretty. Okay, so this is the fun part. You're going to take your first piece of brown paper. You're going to be a hot cocoa. And you're going to get your roundness out, and you're going to smush it into a ball. And you're going to do that twice, and then just place it in your cup. And that is your hot cocoa. But we're going to add a fun part to it that like it has to have in every single one. Marshmallows. So, smush all that paper and then place. And then the next step is really fun too. That's probably like the funnest step in the whole thing, but making it.
It probably is.
So here is my hot cocoa. But it is not done yet. So do you guys like hot cocoa?
I
Yes.
love hot cocoa.
What do you like it with?
I like whipped cream and marshmallows and like little crushed up peppermints.
I got hot cocoa actually after going sledding the other day.
Don't you have to have hot chocolate if you like hot chocolate after you go sledding?
So, after you've done your hot cocoa, which have you both done that?
Yes.
You're gonna take your paper and the glue cap is actually a really good size for marshmallows. So like you'll measure it how we do with the cup and then you'll just cut it. But you'll cut it a little bit before the end because it doesn't have to be that long. And then you'll just roll it up and tape it into a marshmallow. And just repeat that as many times as you want. And Cass, you can actually make peppermint in it if you have green and red paper.
I drew 3 little red lines on white paper and it looks like they're little peppermints.
You could also do that too. Can I see them, Cass?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute.
I have some pretty big marshmallows here.
I have some big marshmallows too. Here is the perfect baby marshmallow. It's almost like smaller than my pinky.
I have like 7 little mini huge marshmallows.
I've made 5 mini marshmallows. See, here are my mini marshmallows.
I also have this like candy cane straw that I'm gonna cut up to look like peppermint pieces.
That was a good idea, Cass. So I don't really have a peppermint straw, so instead I am going to use the paper. So I'm just making the green peppermint bits. And now I'm gonna make some red peppermint bits. I made the cute little peppermint bits and I'm just gonna sprinkle them on top, almost like sprinkle the peppermint sprinkles. Ooh, that sounds good.
Ooh, now hot chocolate's like really appealing.
I just like on a paper, I did stripes with red and then cut them so I have little like peppermint bits now.
So can I see them?
This is mine.
I like it, Ella. And Cass. Then you're gonna take more of white paper and you're gonna put it on top and flip your cup over. And then just trace around your cup because we are going to make a lid for it. And make sure on it you kind of make a little rectangle in part of it. So then that way you can attach it to your cup. And for now, I'm going to just cut it out. Done. And after that, just tape it on the back of your cup, that little excess spot. But before you do that, you're gonna wanna make a hole for where your straw goes. So just fold like where you're gonna make your straw and like just fold it like that and then cut it a circle and you have the spot for your straw. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tape down my lid. So once you're done, you're gonna take your straw and just cut it halfway so it's small enough to fit into your cup and just place it into your cup somehow. And you have your delicious hot cocoa. This is my finished product.
And this is mine.
This is mine.
Here, cheers! Cheers to hot cocoa deliciousness.
Cheers.
Cheers! And now, drink a delicious sip of it.
Delicious, very chocolate.
Just delicious. I really hope I don't suck up any paper though.
So I hope you enjoyed our delicious Unicraftrs today. And we like to thank our guests for coming. So thanks for coming, you guys. It was
You're
really
welcome.
fun.
So
And
much
we'll
fun.
see you next time. Bye, Unicrafters. Hot cocoa. We would like to thank our sponsor, Delaney Plaza.
Honestly, sometimes, or in the summer, I'd be able to stay up late, go into my room, and watch Unicraftrs and do the crafts.
Thanks.
I love Unicraftrs.
Me too.
I'm so glad you guys could come today.
Me too.
This was amazing.
Bye.
Bye.